Hey guys, welcome back to the show. How are you today? And as you can see, we're back at it again. For those of you joining me for the very first time, welcome to the show. Today's tutorial or video is going to be a review of Curology. So I'm going to stop rambling. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Join the family. I would love to have you. Please give this a thumbs up if you guys are enjoying the videos. If you guys want to follow me outside of YouTube, I'm listing all the social media links below. Enjoy the show. Alright, so I'm going to be talking about Curology. Curology is customized skincare. I kept seeing the ads on social media and I kept seeing good reviews about it. And I went ahead and bought it through Instagram because Instagram was doing a promotion on Curology, and the promotion was stating that I was gonna get the first batch free, and all I had to do was pay for shipping and handling. I think all I paid for shipping and handling was $6 and some change. You do have to create a profile. They ask you your age, they ask you what skin type you have. They ask you about skincare habits, such as if you take off your makeup, if you clean your face often. They ask you if you're a smoker, non-smoker. They don't ask you personal questions unless you want to mention any personal to them, and that's fine. And the reason why is because they customize these things for you. And so based on the website, it says powerful, personalized skincare formulas prescribed by real providers. Start the skin quiz and try it for 30 days free. Just pay for $95 shipping. Wait, I only had to pay $6, so I think that's because I live in South Florida. But anyways, let me show you guys the box. Alright, so this is the box that it came in. Alright, so this is how it is. I hope nothing falls out in this angle. It gives me a little bag that says skin goals achieved, if you can see. If not, that's cool. I definitely understand if you can't see it. It comes with an acne body wash, 2% salicylic acid. Let's open the bag together. Alright, so in this bag, I believe I have my own custom formula. I have clindamycin 1%, azelaic acid 9%, tretinoin 0.009%. I don't know how to pronounce half of these things, so if I'm pronouncing it wrong, my bad. And as the directions here say apply to face nightly, so I'm definitely going to be doing that. And so this is the moisturizer. It says here to apply to face and neck after cleansing morning and night. Okay, we can do this. It's like a daily moisturizer. It also comes with the cleanser. And it says here use twice daily, morning and night. Gently massage onto damp face, then rinse off. Pretty self-explanatory. Last thing that comes is the emergency spot patch. We'll see how this goes. And it comes with a cute little pamphlet. Here it says love your skin every day, and it tells me, like, you know, the directions and what to use it with. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. I can't wait to try it, and I can't wait to show you guys. I'm gonna try to do a vlog style. I definitely want to share my experience with you guys. I definitely want to let you guys know if Curology is the thing or not. I just want to try it out for myself. I see it everywhere. Why not try it, right? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try out this process. I welcome you guys to join this journey with me. Hey guys, good morning. This is day one. I just wanted to let you guys know what type of skin that I have. I believe we didn't discuss that prior to the introduction of the video. I have very oily skin and it's very textured, as you can see. And I'm usually oily in my T-zone area. Just wanted to throw that out there. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, this is day one. I just finished using the cleanser right over here. It smells really good. It's like a lotion. And it started tingling like the sides of my face here, and I think it's because of the acne that I have was probably killing it. And you may not see here, but like I'm kind of like a little red, not like on my zits here, but it made my certain areas of my face really red. I noticed that after, you know, cleaning my face. I went ahead and used this moisturizer. Moisturizer is really soft. It's really it smells really good, which I really like, because some moisturizers smell like really bad. And it felt so silky. which I really liked, and it was like smooth all over my skin. And I put it like on my neck as well because you gotta like moisturize. But yeah, this is day 1 in the morning. According to my directions, because they're like personalized directions, I have to do this twice, once in the morning and once in the evening. So we're gonna definitely come back in the evening. Hey guys, it's still day 1. This is the evening. I went ahead and just finished the cleanser. I went ahead and added my formula. This formula here, I went ahead and added it. And then I went ahead and did the moisturizer. My face feels pretty good right now, but I feel like I have a little bit new friends up here in my forehead area. But I'm still giving it some time. Also on top of that, right after I washed my face the first time in the morning, I went ahead and got ready and I put on a full face of makeup to go to my mom's. I shouldn't have done that, but that's okay. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go back to day 1 a little bit during the evening part after I did my special formula. Here's my special formula. After I did it, after I finished putting on my special formula, I went ahead and put on the moisturizer. And then I was too sleepy to do anything about what I was feeling. What I was feeling was a little bit of a tingling sensation, like right over here. Like both sides here, and then a little bit here I was like feeling tingly, but it didn't bother me, and also I was too sleepy to do anything about it. Now day 2, I just finished washing my face. I only used the cleanser and the moisturizer as what the directions said. I was following the directions, and as I was using the cleanser, I noticed on both sides of my face I still have like more it feels more texturized right here. And I understand that like when you're using a new face product, what's underneath your actual skin, what's clogged up in there, dirt, whatever the case is gonna keep coming out. So we're still testing this out, so I just wanted to update you guys on how my skin is feeling. I know that on day 1 I said that the cleanser was making my face all tingly, so this time it didn't make anything tingle. I just noticed that there was more texture. Again, it's only day 2, so we will see how this goes, and I will definitely update you guys on anything. Hey guys, I'm back. Good evening. This is day 2 of the evening cleanse. I used all 3, and I noticed that when I was cleansing, if you see this area here, like I've had this for a while, but today it really hurts. I don't know why. This just really hurts. Also, when I was like cleansing my skin, I noticed that I have more texture here. I'm breaking out more here, like along my cheek area, like not cheek, I'm sorry. I'm breaking out more in my jaw area right here. And under my chin here, you guys can't really see, but you see all this texture? So much texture, and oh, I'm even getting more texture on my forehead. Also, I was putting on my regular formula. When I put on my regular formula, I noticed that here was burning. And then it stopped burning, and then I went ahead and put on my moisturizer. Everything is fine for right now. But this is my face right now. This is day 3 in the evening, and hopefully we start seeing some results soon. Today is day 3 of the morning using Curology. This morning I noticed that my face is extra oily. Normally my face is oily, but it's extra oily, more oilier than usual. I don't even know if that's like a thing to say. As I was washing my face with the cleanser, I noticed that like a tingly feeling was like around here, and then I went ahead and put on the moisturizer. It alleviated it a little bit, but it's still tingly. It doesn't hurt it or anything, but I just wanted to let you guys know. And so this is my face so far, and my skin still feels textured. I don't see any the textures that I have, I don't see any of them going away. We just gotta keep trying. It's day 3 with the Curology for the evening. When I was washing my face, I was washing like off all the oil. As I mentioned to you guys earlier, I feel like my face is getting more oily, and it felt like it was a lot more harder to wash my face. Like I had to like concentrate on like, you know, on rubbing in the cleanser more just to make sure everything was off. I just went ahead and put on my formula. Everything is great. I went ahead and also put on the moisturizer. And right now, as we speak, I feel a tingle here. It doesn't bother me, but just thought I'd let you know. I still have textures on my skin. This, my friend here, he still hurts. I'm calling it a he because he doesn't belong on my face. It says day 3, and I really hope that it starts getting better because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm getting frustrated. Like I don't see, like my skin is doing worse than what it was. But we'll see, we're giving it a chance. I'm being patient with this. I'm not gonna stop. But yes, I just wanted to let you guys know. So today is day 4 of Curology. But I went ahead and still did the cleanser, my special formula, and also the moisturizer. And I just want to let you know that this morning that when I woke up, my face still felt oily. And then I have more texture here on my chin area. I feel like I am breaking out more. And to be honest, it makes me kind of sad. I popped the zit that was up here. It came out like cottage cheese. But yes, I'm on day 4 of Curology. I see no difference on my skin. I mean, should I stop now or give it a full week? I'm not sure. I am freaking upset. I feel ugly. I feel unattractive. Like, I don't even want to put on makeup to cover it because I feel like it's going to make it worse. Yeah, sorry for ranting, but I just wanted to let you know my true feelings right now. I was going to wait until the end of the video, like the end of like me vlogging everything, but just thought I should let you guys know how I really feel about this so far. All right, good evening, everyone. This is day 4 of the evening, or evening 4. I should just say it like that now. I just finished with my cleanser, my personal formula, and also the moisturizer. Of course, I waited. I didn't combine it all together. Now I'm feeling like really tingling. That it almost feels itchy right here in my nose area. Right, my chin area here, right over my cheek area, and a little bit right over here. Just wanted to update you on that. My skin is still oily from before I washed it. Now before I went ahead and did the cleanser and my little step for the evening, my skin was still oily and I still had like blemishes, texture, all this crap you see here. Also on top of that, here it's like discharging. Like it's just discharging like a lot of liquid that it looks white almost. So I keep like wiping that down. But yeah, that is the update for evening 4 on Curology. Hey guys, today is day 5 for Curology. I broke out more here on my chin. I kind of popped it right now. I broke out on my lip too. It's going fantastic, you guys. That was a hint of sarcasm right there. But yeah, see you guys in the evening. Okay, so I know that I did not film an evening 5 for Curology. I will explain why. So as I explained to you guys earlier throughout the days that my skin was getting oily. Well, that evening, I just got fed up with how my skin was turning out. I was leaning my head like this, and as I was leaning my head like this, I slid. It's bad. I touched my face, and my face was so greasy. My face was so oily. My face was practically a slip and slide of grease and oil. It was as if somebody grabbed lard and just rubbed it all over my face. I had a glob of lard. I decided that enough was enough. I just wasn't going to film an evening video for Curology. I did not even use Curology last night. Also on top of that, my skin still had zits, acne, blemishes, pore after pore after pore after pore. Unfortunately, my skin did not react well to Curology. Curology is not for my skin. Now, I'm not saying that I dislike Curology. I'm not saying that I hate them or anything. I did read the reviews, and there were a lot of positive reviews. I'm glad that there were positive reviews for people that actually used it and actually worked for them. Bravo for them. And if you guys come across my videos and you guys decide to use Curology and find out for yourselves, bravo to you too. If you guys use it and it works out for you, I'm gonna be so ecstatic and happy for you. But unfortunately for me, Curology did not work for my skin. And honestly, my skin has gone through so much already as this past week. I'm not even gonna continue it. I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm a little disappointed, I'm not gonna lie to you. I had really high hopes for Curology, but then again, that was kind of my fault. I should have gone into this situation neutral. I had high hopes for the product. Again, it was my fault for having illusional thoughts about a product. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. So this concludes the whole experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Well guys, thank you guys for tuning in.